What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So, this is my old soldering pen, and I don't remember where I purchased this thing at. It's possible it came from Harbor Freight, but you can see how worn down the tip was. It wasn't heating up very well. We screwed up the wire, repaired it. You can see I unboxed a lot of stuff today. So this is the item number 69060, 30-watt soldering iron. And I was overdue for a new soldering iron here. I know I should get with the times and get a torch style one, but sometimes I use my acetylene torch for heavier stuff. But for small, intricate stuff, I use the soldering pen, and then I use the soldering shrink wrap butt connectors. These things are great. Good for regular copper, stainless if you have the right acid. And yeah. About time I upgraded myself to a new soldering pen. I have an even better one at home that has a temperature dial on it. I'd rather not see that get destroyed here. So since we don't do so much soldering, we just upgrade it to a new one. These were very inexpensive. And I don't think that other one was from Harbor Freight unless that wore off. I'm not really sure. Thanks for watching.